Hi everyone, my name is Akasha. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an extreme room decluttering. I don't know how extreme this really is, but honestly, I hadn't cleaned my room in so long. These are kind of just before and after shots. I hadn't cleaned my room in like a month. I was just working, being busy, and I didn't feel like doing it. And usually my mom comes in and she'll like organize if she notices that my room is like messed up. But I wasn't letting her do that either because I was like, okay, just don't touch anything and I will do it. And then I just wouldn't do it. So finally I was like, all right, I'm gonna do it. So here's what my room looks like, right? This is at the very beginning. There's stuff everywhere. And I recorded this like on a certain day, and then the next day I recorded again because I actually didn't clean my room this day. All I did was make my bed, and then I came back to actually cleaning my room the next day because I knew I would need like at least an hour here. I was gonna clean my bathroom in this video as well. Don't ask me why there's a fork there. I don't know why there's a fork there. But I decided not to clean my bathroom in this video for you guys. You guys can let me know if you want to see that in another video. But this is just the one day where I fixed my bed, and then this is the next day where I actually end up cleaning my room. So that is the tripod bag or whatever. I just set up the tripod so that you guys can see me cleaning up. And here's me cleaning my actual room this time. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with my dresser here. I moved my mic out of the way first. I don't remember why it was on my dresser in the first place. I was probably making a video of my bed, that's why, because I did my camera unboxing. So yeah, if I have a lisp, sorry. I'm wearing my Invisalign right now, so yeah. But basically I'm just looking through everything that I have here. I had to look through these papers that had like my referrals and like prescriptions and stuff like that. And then I went, after I organized a little bit, and grabbed my trash can from the bathroom and started throwing in all the trash. I needed to throw away things, and I hadn't done that in a while, so I went ahead and did that. And then I took my makeup brush organizer thing and just started organizing some of the stuff into there that I wanted to keep and pulling out all the pens. There were so many pens for some reason, and I just kind of fixed up this area here. I really need to do like a drawer like organizing video because some of this stuff just went into one of my messy drawers. Now I had that little like brush cleaner thing underneath the treasure box handle just so the handle would like curve out because it was bent all weird, but now it's curved out fine, so that's good. And I got this box from Walmart. It came with like a bunch of other boxes that you guys will see later, and I started organizing my glasses into it. And then that was the Apple Watch box, more papers, my contact lenses, random stuff like that. And then I went ahead and took my wipes and started wiping down the entire front. I'm sorry about that banging noise. It's my mom. She's like doing something with the dishes downstairs. So I organized the entire top of the dresser, and also there was like a little like sheet on my dresser, if you noticed. It's kind of like this I don't know what to call it. It just keeps my dresser clean. If I like take it off, you'll see that my dresser is like really clean underneath. And then there's this corner over here behind the door, and it just has so many boxes. I had to like censor an area until I blocked out my address. And I ordered these just to organize my room, and I ordered these on Amazon like over a month before I actually made this video because I was being lazy, like I told you guys. And I started putting in my camera, my Apple Watch, and I even put in my MacBook box in here afterwards because that's like stuff I'm probably not going to go back into. And I have this huge box of stuff that I was using for YouTube videos. These are like canvases and like other things that I haven't even recorded yet. This is a random thing my dad gave me. It was like a brush from the dollar store, one of those like facial brushes. And then I took the other boxes that I told you guys once again that I had gotten from Walmart. It came like in a set of like 4 boxes, and I started putting my paints in there. And then this is how my room looked on the other side while I was organizing. Really bad, but had to get a little messy before it got more clean, you know what I mean? So, oh, that rhymed. So then, okay, this is like a lot of talking, guys. Woo! So I started organizing the corner, and now I needed to clean up all these boxes and stuff and organize a little bit more. And I started putting in stuff that I need to record in my YouTube videos into one of the boxes, and then other stuff that I wasn't going to go back into, like my electronic boxes, as you guys saw. And then I just went ahead and cleaned up that area as well. Over here I had eaten like the night before, and my brother was eating here with me, and he didn't pick up the trash, and neither did I, so it was just there. So I started organizing all of that, putting the lid back on my candle, cleaning up, just random things like that. I cleaned up down there, put my chair back, and then this is it. This is literally it. the room is done. Honestly, it took like an hour, but it was worth it. I need to do this more often. Usually my room will never get this messy, but it just had, because I kept ordering things, making videos, and going to work, coming home, sleeping, doing homework, and just not organizing the room. And it feels so much nicer when your room is like clean and organized. So here's what it looks like. And of course my mom came in the next day and started organizing stuff and touching things again, which I don't really like because I had already organized it in a way that I liked. So here's what everything looks like. This is the end, and then you guys will see like little before and afters again, just because, you know, give you guys an idea of what it looked like before and afterwards. And I hope you guys like this video. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much, and I really appreciate you guys watching. We've now hit 1,200 subs, 1213, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Leave any suggestions down below. Bye.